Alright, thanks for checking out another one of our videos here on our channel. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, we'd appreciate it. If you want to check out more of our videos, I've got 700 plus videos on YouTube. So you can name a brand and a model and whatever, do a search, and you'll probably find a video or more of one of those fence chargers you've got. If you want to send us something to look at, you're welcome to do that. We work on all brands and ages of these things. We have free quotes. And I don't care how old or new it is or what model or brand it is, we'll take a look at it. Okay, well, this is going to be a how to test and repair video on a Gallagher M1100. They also make a model called an M1500. Very similar to this, maybe a little bit different guts, but the same layout, basically. This one is not under warranty, so this would be the first non-warranty M1100 I've ever had my hands on. Typically when they come in, they're almost 98% of the time lightning damage from a power surge or on the fence and ground, but it's pretty rare to get one in either way. So we're going to take it apart here. Now these are UL listed units, so they do have tamper-proof screws in them. And I don't know if I got the part to fix this thing or not. I think the parts for this one right now, this time I'm making this video, I think we're on back order. So depending on what it needs, we may or may not be able to fix it. Oops. Well, there's the inside. It's got a blown fuse. Ooh. Actually, that fuse mount is broken from the board, so we'll see what we can do there. Maybe we can fix that fuse mount. I'm going to go ahead and take this board and everything and plug everything from it. These little catches on there to kind of help hold the spake next to the board, but they get kind of a little bit of a pain to get off there sometimes. Now it should just be able to lift this up and slide it out. Yep. So overall the board looks okay. Nothing really looks burnt up. Oh shoot, I lied. I saw this fuse was blown. You can see how it's all black. It was loose, broke from the board, which we could just solder that back on there. But then you look over here. This is where your fence and ground comes in at right here. See, it's been hit there and burnt up there, burnt up a bunch of these little bitty parts right there. So this board is shot because you can't really do much work on. You can do some stuff to these bigger parts, stuff like that. When you get to these little surface mount things, unless you got a schematic that tells you what these parts are, which I don't. They don't give that kind of information out. Basically, SOL. So we're going to have to get a new board installed in this thing, and unfortunately I don't have the board in stock. I said that I believe they're back ordered right now, but transformer looks okay. They don't go bad that often. They're pretty, I don't know if you want to take the shot of saying they're bulletproof, but Gallagher transformers don't go bad that often. If they do, they're usually lightning related or very, very old. But I've seen 30-year-old transformers and Gallaghers that are fine. Now, I don't know what this is supposed to read. We're going to do an ohms check across just to see. That's probably about right. Check the ohms right here. That's good. I'll check this big old capacitor here. That's good. So capacitor and transformer are probably fine. Just the board's bad. So, well, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to fix this one today until we get the parts in. This one's not under warranty, unfortunately. So, to call the customer up with a quote, I'm sure they'll fix it. These are $450 units, give or take. So, definitely going to be cheaper to fix this than it is to buy a new one. But yeah, if you've got one of these things, I would really any brand really, I would highly recommend looking at like a for lightning protection. Look at a lightning diverter. You can either look on YouTube and ways of making one, or you can buy one that's already made. All you have to do is mount on the post and set the gap, and you're good. Gallagher makes a real good one. It's called a Gallagher lightning diverter. It's a all-in-one deal. It's pretty nice setup, and it's pretty easy to install and wire up. You can also get like a AC surge suppressor, or surge protector for your AC side, that you plug into your outlet. I mean, lightning, it hits all these things. It doesn't matter what brand it is, what model it is. They have external fuses, built-in fuses, lightning boards, protection boards. I mean, all of them get hit. I mean, it's just the name of the game. I don't care what a brand does, they all get hit. So, but that's pretty slick looking board though. All kinds of stuff on there. Nothing really on the back. Solder joints and solder spots, but most of all the component stuff is all on top. All this small stuff and all these bigger parts here and such. This great big capacitor here. 4 microfarad 2000 volt pulse grade capacitor. That's pretty solid capacitor there. Alright, well, I'll call the customer up, see what they want to do. I'm sure they'll fix it. Just got to get the approval first, and then got to get the parts on order. And like I said, I think they're back ordered for another couple weeks, or I don't know, for a little while anyways. They'll be here before we know it, hopefully. But if you got a fence charger you want to get looked at, you're welcome to take a peek at it. Tell your friends and family about us. Tell your local co-op and feed stores. Don't throw away the old stuff. Try to get the old stuff fixed before you spend a lot of money on a new one. Unless you want to buy a new one, you get your old one fixed and have a good backup unit. So that's it for now, and hope you guys like this kind of stuff. If you got any other questions, get a hold of me. And until next time, we'll see you later on. We'll probably make this a part 2 video as well.